Hello everyone, welcome back to Sydney and Starlight, and if you're new here, welcome, enjoy the videos. So today, me and Sydney are going to be opening not one, but two Squishy Surprise blind bags. So let's start. So there's 6 styles, so you can collect the duck, the bear, llama, unicorn, narwhal, or the pineapple. Alright, so which blind bag do you want to open first? This one? Alright, go ahead and open it. What's that? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this is, I completely ignored this part. It says squishy. It's a Squishy Surprise blind bag, and so it's a squishy llama. Can you say llama? Llama. And it has this little thing. That's cute. There it is. There's the llama. You want to squish that? Squish it. Yeah. Okay. Now open this one. What is that?
Bear.
That's a bear! Good job, Sydney. Let's see on the back of this. There it is. There's the bear. What sound does the bear make?
Whoa.
Roar! Here it is. Let's go up close. There's the bear. It's squishy. Squishy and it's orange. What color is this?
Oh,
Yes, that's orange. Good job. All right. These both look kind of orange. Squish them both. Yeah. All right. So, that is it for today, everyone. I really hope you all enjoyed it. And I'll see you all next time.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bag.
Bear.